Hi, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of seamless connectivity by showing you how to connect your iPhone with your PC using PhoneLink. PhoneLink is a fantastic tool that enables you to access your iPhone's features directly from your PC screen. So let's get started. Step 1. Downloading and installing PhoneLink. Here's how to do it. On your iPhone, open the App Store and search for PhoneLink. Click on that app. Download the app. Once downloaded completed, now move to PC screen. On your PC, go to search bar and search PhoneLink. Click on it once you've successfully installed PhoneLink on both devices. Click on iPhone. Move on to next step, connecting your iPhone with PC. Now launch the PhoneLink app on your iPhone. Click on Scan QR code. Now you will see a specified QR code. After scan completed, click on Continue. Make sure that you have Turn on Bluetooth on your both devices, because it is mandatory step. You should wait for a few seconds for proper pairing of both devices, and now, at that step, your phone is free now. Let's back to PC screen. On your PC, you would see your iPhone appear in the list of available devices. Click on Continue to establish a connection. Once the connection is established, Step 3. Exploring PhoneLink features. PhoneLink offers a range of features that allow you to integrate your iPhone with your PC. Its features include messaging. After giving permissions from your phone, you can stay connected with PhoneLink's messaging feature. You can receive and also send messages. Number 2. You can also see notifications of your iPhone on the left side panel of PhoneLink. Now number 3. The most important feature, that is, you can receive and make a call from your PC without touching your iPhone. Let's make a call for better understanding. Dial a number or simply select from contact list. Great. Now you can see I make a call from PC. That's fantastic. You can add more than one device in your PC. And there you have it, a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your iPhone with your PC using PhoneLink. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.